4G, why stop there? Ever wondered how the next step, 5G, will transform your everyday life? Imagine downloading a full HD movie in seconds or having a virtual assistant that responds instantly to your every command. Today, we're exploring the incredible ways 5G technology is set to revolutionize our daily lives. From lightning-fast internet speeds to groundbreaking innovations in smart cities and the Internet of Things. First up, let's talk about speed. With 5G, we're talking about internet speeds up to 100 times faster than 4G. That means no more buffering during your favorite shows, quicker downloads, and super smooth online gaming. Imagine streaming 4K videos without a hiccup or joining a video call without lag. Faster internet speeds mean a smoother, more enjoyable online experience. But speed isn't the only game changer. 5G also brings ultra-low latency, which is tech talk for super quick response times. This is a game changer for virtual reality and augmented reality. Imagine playing a VR game where your movements are tracked in real time, or using AR glasses that overlay useful information onto the real world without any delay. Low latency makes these experiences seamless and immersive. Now let's move to smart cities. With 5G, cities will become smarter and more efficient. Think about connected traffic lights that adjust in real time to traffic conditions, reducing congestion and pollution, or smart grids that optimize energy usage, saving money and reducing our carbon footprint. 5G will enable a new level of connectivity, making our cities cleaner, safer, and more efficient. And it doesn't stop there. 5G will also revolutionize the Internet of Things, or IoT. Imagine a world where your fridge can order groceries when you're running low, or your home security system can instantly alert you to any unusual activity. With 5G, millions of devices can connect and communicate with each other simultaneously, creating a truly interconnected world. In healthcare, 5G will enable remote surgeries where specialists can operate on patients from miles away using robotic arms. This means access to top-notch medical care no matter where you live. Plus, wearable health devices will monitor your vital signs in real time, alerting you and your doctor to any potential health issues before they become serious. Education will also benefit. Imagine virtual classrooms where students can interact with teachers and classmates in real time, or augmented reality field trips where you can explore ancient ruins or distant planets from your living room. 5G will make learning more interactive and engaging than ever before. Even your commute could be transformed. With 5G, self-driving cars will become more reliable, communicating with each other and the road infrastructure to navigate safely and efficiently. This means less traffic, fewer accidents, and a more comfortable journey. But with all these amazing benefits, it's important to remember that 5G also comes with challenges. Ensuring privacy and security in a world where everything is connected will be crucial. As we embrace the 5G revolution, we must also work to protect our data and privacy. So there you have it. 5G is set to revolutionize our lives in ways we're just beginning to understand. From faster internet speeds to smarter cities, from improved healthcare to interactive education, the possibilities are endless. Get ready for a future that's faster, smarter, and more connected. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechZnap for more fascinating tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.